Hello! Welcome to a special edition of Chelsea's Kitchen. Me and Elva are so excited and so honored to be asked by Chopstick Alley to be featured at one of their weekly events called Medi Veggie. During this program, they share meditation tips and healthy vegetarian recipes. Therefore, me and Elva are so excited to be able to share one of our favorite healthy vegetarian recipe, Lotus Root Wood Ear Fungus Stir Fry. Hopefully, after all of you are able to learn this amazing, delicious, but healthy recipe, all of you are going to have a healthy and amazing Happy Lunar New Year. Okay, without further ado, let's get started. All right, we're gonna start first preparing our ingredients. We're gonna be on the chopping board. We're gonna first take care of our mushrooms that we're gonna have. We're gonna cut it into julienne. A tip is that when you buy these mushrooms, usually from the Asian market, you wanna make sure you soak it in a warm water for about 5 to 6 hours. Then it will be less, hard, and it will taste a lot better when you stir fry it. And one thing is that the water that you use to actually soak the mushrooms in, you could use it back later when we do the stir fry. So don't waste the water. All right, now we're gonna take care of the wood ear fungus. You wanna make sure that wood ear fungus, you can buy it actually already soaked, or in some of the Asian markets, they're actually bought dried. So again, similar to the mushrooms, you wanna make sure you soak it in water for about, 1 to 2 hours, a little bit shorter compared to the mushrooms. Alright, now we're going to start taking care of our ingredients. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to put the lotus root in boiling water and let it steam for about 1 minute. This way, when you do stir fry the lotus root, it's not going to be as hard, and you're going to take out a lot of some of the sticky content and some of the so-called fiber within the lotus root. Boil for about 1 minute, and then we could then take it out. All right, now we are going to turn off our heat. And now we could take the lotus root out, and we are actually going to be putting the lotus root into cold water. And put in our lotus root. Just feel the heat with our hand. Now we're going to pour in some of our oil. You see the chopsticks, our wok is ready. We're going to first put in our cut garlic and our cut ginger. You see the garlic and the ginger are starting to get a little bit golden. We can now start putting our mushrooms in. Pieces. Now you can put in the fungus, the wood ear fungus. 3 ingredients that are gonna have and make sure that you have a healthy heart, prevent you from having cancer, and also have beautiful skin. Cooking wine, Chinese cooking wine. You want to just put a little bit. This is to actually make it more aromatic. Put a little bit soy sauce, not too much. Add some of our garlic salt. Again, just a teaspoon will be good. Garlic powder. Again, a teaspoon will be perfect. So we're going to put in some of our mushroom water that we use. Put a little sugar. And then we want to put a little sesame oil in this. Sesame oil is also great for, hair health. Also perfect for your skin too. Oyster sauce is something that you want to put always on the end. And then you want to put in some of our onions that we cut previously. All right, now we can put in our green onions. We're going to turn off our heat after we put in the green onions, and then we just want to stir fry again for about 10 seconds. And then now we're ready to chow down. If you like our video, remember to like, subscribe, and comment.